నీకే నీ గురించే.
A very short introduction about yourself, Mataji. Kids, if you want to go to your class, please. But today's class is very important. I feel that everyone has to hear. Yes, Mataji, please.
So I am Sai Chaitanya. I came for the first time with my Babe.
So Babe avatar, very nice. Hare Krishna.
So he insisted to attend once. So I also excited for this class.
Very nice, sir. So how we welcome our guests? With three loud Haribol. So we should welcome Mataji, Sai Chaitanya Mataji, right? Sai Chaitanya Mataji with three loud Haribol. Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. So we welcome you, Mataji, to the your first satsang. So we are very happy. Murali Krishna Prabhu is very dear in our satsang because he keep inspiring so many people. And last 2 weekends his father was here, Prabhuji was here, and we are very happy. He attended 2 satsangs here. He started even chanting, and I'm very happy. I really pray for Murali Krishna Prabhu family that he should be able to motivate so many people into Krishna consciousness. Welcome, Mataji. Welcome.